Hey, what's going on, people? So I'm coming from Wade's house. I gave him some bubble wrap and I need to find more. We're gonna go to my source and let's see if there's more bubble wrap. Because you never know. You never know when there's gonna be more bubble wrap. So stay tuned. And I'm getting very blind because it's dark and I got this light shining in my face. You're not gonna believe this. So I'm driving and I see bubble wrap all the way from here. So let's see if that's bubble wrap. Okay, let's see. Dang, too blinding. So I'm gonna pull in, close my eyes because it's like literally blinding. Turn off my car. Let's go. What the heck is going on? There's a little bit of bubble wrap. Not as much as I thought that would be. It's not bubble wrap, that's not bubble wrap. I mean, we're gonna take it, right? Look at that, pretty clean. We're taking it. Look at that, clean. So let's just leave it in here. Let's see how much I can get. I wouldn't consider this as bubble wrap. I would consider this more as a wrap, plastic wrap. And we don't litter. We take enough. We only take enough. We only take enough. That's a nice bubble wrap. That's a bubble wrap right here. And let's see what's going on in here. That's a... What the heck is this? That's a good bubble wrap piece. Look at that. That's a nice piece. Would you say so? I mean, that's not much, but it might be enough for one day if you use it sparingly. So I was digging in here and my wife called me. And what did we find here? There's a printer. There's a printer and a scanner. I don't think I'll be getting it, but power cord? Why not? What is this? I should be wearing a glove. I don't know what I'm doing without a glove. Empty. Empty. Is there any more? There might be some more behind. Okay, so we got this thing hooked on that side. That's how we do it. We get it hooked on it. And that's a lot of dust. What if there's more underneath? You know what? I'm gonna go through it to see if there's more underneath it. If there's more, we're gonna get it all. If there's not, we're gonna pack whatever we have and we're gonna go home. Guess what? I'm on top of this thing. So since we're here, let's see if we can get some more. Let me grab my phone. Okay, why is it so blurry? Perfect. One. Two. Slowly sinking. Three. But I don't see any more. That's all I got. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's all I got, people. Let's jump. Whew. So that's all we got. That's all we got. That's gonna be enough. So I guess my little bubble wrap haul. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you didn't, I don't know, dislike. That's how I do it. Sometimes you gotta get in a dumpster to get free stuff. Bubble wrap. Priceless. And I will get that one too. Don't you worry about it. But let's see what else we got. I mean, is there any more? There's a little piece in there in here. I think I got it. I got most of it. Yeah, I did. So that's all I got right here. That's good enough for one day. Let's see if I can start this thing. Perfect. So if you like this, hey, you know what to do, right? Subscribe and share and like and follow and click that bell. There's more coming. You can be doing the same thing in your neighborhood, just not in mine. Goodbye.